Hi everyone, welcome back to Ollie's Workshop, and well, this is the 52 subscriber special, at least it was at the time of making this video. Thank you very much to the 8 or 9 people or so who've joined in the last month. Yeah, it's been a big boost. I just thought I'd take you through one or two of the things that hopefully I'll get done in the near future. Just watched my 11 subscriber special and I've done about one of the things in that video that I said I was going to do, so who knows what will actually happen. But mill wise, on the fitting video I hadn't quite got around to doing the chip guard for the x-axis there. I've now got the a bit of U channel, so the idea with that is that'll get fitted on the front that way up, and the bellows will get mounted off the fixed portion with a piece of sheet metal that'll sit up inside there, and then that'll keep chips from getting into the reed head and into the on the ways. So I don't think I'll bother making a video about that. I'll just get that done because it needs doing before I get any chips on it. You might be wondering why there's a lawnmower in the middle of my shed. That's because one project I've been meaning to do for a little while is to make an electric lawnmower. At the moment it's a little petrol engine, but I've got this old 400 watt e-bike hub motor and controller and a load of batteries, so I was going to have a go at bolting that on and seeing how well it works. All the commercial the low-end commercial battery mowers are 400 watts, so hopefully this is hopefully it's going to do the job. May not spin fast enough because it's a hub motor for a bike, and it's not maybe going to rotate quite as quickly as I'd like. But let's find out. I've got a different motor that I can put on instead, but I wanted to try and find a use for this one, which is a bit of an odd thing to mount, because the outer bit's the spinny bit, and the inner bit you've basically just got this axle to mount it with, so that'll be interesting. Another thing, I got this set of spiral point taps from Arc Eurotrade. I've only used one of them so far, used the M10, but I've got to say it was a completely different experience to any other my other sort of cheap Chinese taps. They're so sharp and they just cut through effortlessly. So I'm going to make a little video on different types of taps, maybe. Let's see what happens. Something else I was looking at doing also was this. Excuse the colours, it was just some filament that was on the printer, but it's a chuck key switch, which will go over here. Idea being that it won't let the lathe turn on until the chuck key's hung up, which means, one, you can't have any accidents, and two, you can always find your chuck key. I'm fairly good at putting it back, but I've got a friend who isn't, and it could be anywhere. Often spend longer looking for the chuck key than doing anything else. But so that's a proof of concept. It kind of works. I was planning on redesigning it to cast it, because at the moment it was just sort of, I started drawing on Fusion 360 without really a plan of how I was going to do it, and it ended up sort of a bit random. But there we go. I've improved the lights. These were just fairly cheap LED strip lights, which had mains, just ran off the mains, and you may have noticed on some of my videos recently there's been a bit of flicker. Problem with my camera, it's my phone, every time you go to do a new video, the brightness defaults back to a standard point, and at that point it seems to pick up flicker. So I have to change it every time. Of course, sometimes I don't get it quite right. Sometimes I forget altogether. It's really annoying. So I decided to just get a power supply up there and run them off DC. The strips are basically 65 volts. There's 2 strips in each one, and then I've just got some ballast resistors for each strip, so they're effectively all in parallel. And now I've got lovely flicker-free lighting for the video. Anyway, CNC. I still want to get some improvements done on that, and I'll see if I can do that. But I think the first thing is going to be this mower, just because it's something I've been thinking about for a while, and I think it'll make a good video. I think that's about it for the moment. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.